Here's a simple step-by-step guide to manage all devices connected to your Google account. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Google, then tap Manage your Google account. You can also do this on a computer by visiting myaccount.google.com. Once you're inside your Google account settings, swipe over to the Security tab. This is where Google shows every phone, tablet, computer, and browser currently logged into your account. Scroll down until you find Your Devices and tap Manage All Devices. Here you'll see every device that has recently accessed your Google account, including their locations, browser types, and last active time. Tap any device on the list to view details. Google will show you the model, location, last active date, and which Google apps were used. If it's a device you recognize, you don't need to do anything. If you see a device you don't recognize or no longer use, tap Sign Out or Remove. Google will instantly stop that device from accessing Gmail, Drive, YouTube, Photos, and all Google services. I also recommend changing your password afterward to keep your account secure. For extra security, turn on two-step verification under the Security tab. This adds a verification code each time you sign in on a new device, making sure only you can access your account. And that's it. Now you know how to manage all devices connected to your Google account.